PDF. So open it, and then you can see the 2 pages, just 2. Okay, it's just a lines. You can see the pattern there. Then that's the pattern, and then print it. Check if the page is in letter size 8.5 by 11. I just put it in high quality so I can see the lines more, and then print it. Okay, and now here is the 2-page of printed file. Now all we need to do is paste these two together. Now I just remove this with the scissor, and then you should be ready to glue these two both. Okay, I'm gonna glue this right now, and then just like that I glue it together. And now we need to trim out the patterns. Okay, so I trimmed out the pattern, but we're not done just yet. We need to trim it in the lines. Okay, so this may take time, but it's okay. We'll do some trimming. Okay, now trace it in the cardboard. I will use a marker to trace the patterns. Okay, and just like that. And now we're gonna have to trace it again, but in this side. Okay, and there you go. And now continue on with the other patterns. Okay, okay, now I'm done tracing the patterns. Just like this. And to the patterns that we've traced, I suggest you put it in a folder, so you can use it once again for another mask, and then save this file. Okay, now it's time to cut out the patterns. Okay, cut it out. Okay, yeah, so cutting cardboard is really boring for a video, so I skip, and we're back. So yeah, I'm done. Okay, now let's glue them all together.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. it sound right, boys.
It sound right, boy. Big sound push. Big sound push. Big sound push. Big it sound.
Okay, here we go. The left side of the mask. So I managed to squeeze in this. This one was not attached, so I just pull it down while gluing it. So you could do that too, right? Okay, we will now start with the no. So making the right side of the mask would be easy because we already made the left side of the mask. So now we just need to build the right side of the mask, but in reverse. Okay, I mean in mirror. Now it should be easy for you and for me to build the right side of the mask, so I will skip the video so the video won't take too long to watch for you. Okay, and I will skip this now. Okay, I made the right side of the mask, so it was easy because I already made the left side. Now all we need to do is glue it together. Okay, now here's a tip. Just grab yourself a cardboard and then I cut it in strips just like this. Okay, now that should be enough. Then what you need to do is grab a piece and then put it like this in here. Okay, this will help us glue the two pieces together. Set a glue and then add the extension. Then add it to the one last piece. Okay, let's glue these two pieces together. Now, we need to clean the mask for the final output, okay? Okay, so far this is what I have cleaned. The left side. Cleaning is just putting some glue on the seams. So, it's more cool than this side, okay? Look at that side, man. And this side. Okay. Now, so when doing this, when you need to paint it, so it will be more, it will be more soft than this side, because we already put the glue on the seams. So when painting this, it should be more cool than this side, because as you can see, the paint will go inside there and leave a mark. So that's why we did this. Cleaning is cool. Okay, I'll finish this side. Okay, see you again. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning the right side of the mask. So that's that, and I added a string or garter at the back, and I added this for my nose, because my nose is flat. Yeah, so I added this. Then just like that, we have a fox mask. So this mask is from Fortnite. His name is Drift. You can search Google a Fortnite Drift. So this has a color, but we're making it in cardboard. So that's that. So let's wear it as I usually do. I wear my